Beat Entertainment.
Oh.
Hey, Brandon, perfect
Hey.
timing. I got a surprise for you.
Oh, what is it?
I went to the candy store.
The whole bag is filled with candy?
Yeah,
How much candy is that?
190 pounds.
You bought 190 pounds of candy?
They only sell candy by the pound at the candy store. So I weigh 190 pounds, so I had to buy 190 pounds.
Candy by the pound does not mean how much you weigh. It's how much did that cost?
$7.99
Oh,
per pound, so $1,518.10.
John, that's too much.
No, don't worry, I got you your own.
You, what? Oh,
Surprise! I guessed your weight.
thank you.
Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to the So and So Show. I'm John.
And I'm Brandon.
You know Brandon.
I do. He's a terrific guy. Sorry, continue.
I've been doing a lot of thinking lately.
Wait, are you okay?
I know it is concerning,
Yeah.
but I was really digging deep into my own soul, my own psyche, if you will, and pondering this question: who am I?
Ooh, that is a good question.
Right? Like, who am I really? Am I just some silly guy who hosts the most amazing show on earth?
I get it. Sometimes I wonder if I'm just a more trustworthy version of a silly guy who hosts the greatest show on earth.
You wonder that too, huh?
Yeah. Did you come up with a solution?
No, but I think I came up with the solution.
That's what I just
There's
said.
only one place you can look to truly find out who you are.
Your heart.
No, the internet.
Oh.
Kids, always ask a parent, teacher, or guardian before going on the internet. There's some bad stuff out there, and we want you to be careful while surfing. And remember,
Don't do as John do.
okay, I found this great website called Find Out Everything You've Always Wanted to Know About Yourself.
.com?
No, .dorv.
.dorv?
It's a new one, yeah.
All right.
Okay, now we just enter in our information and we'll find out everything we've always wanted to know about ourselves.
Okay. What is your least favorite vegetable?
Oh, yeah. Which animated movie do you think is the best?
Your favorite number?
I like Roman numerals.
Now hit enter.
Whoa! I'm worth $20 million!
I own a pig ranch in Montana.
I was born in 1798!
My great uncle invented styrofoam.
My favorite food is vitamins!
I won an Olympic medal.
I composed the theme to Star Wars!
I could already be a winner.
My real name is Fred!
Wow.
Wow! This was not helpful.
Not any of that was true.
Nope, none of it.
Yeah. Kids, just because it's on the internet doesn't mean it's true. And remember,
There's a star in my hand. I still don't know who I am, Brandon.
yeah, me either.
Can we play a game to help?
A game, you say?
Yeah, why are you yelling?
I love games.
Yes, it's a game I like to call. Okay, here's how we play. On the monitor next to us, we're going to see extreme close-up pictures of parts of our faces. All we have to do is decide if it's a picture of me or a picture of you.
Great. Let's see how well we know ourselves.
Yeah, get ready to play along out there as well. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my.
Oh, man.
Is that a lip?
I think it's a lip.
I think that looks like my wry smile.
No. Is that your eye?
That's my eye?
I'm looking at your face. I think that might be your eye, your closed eye. That's Brandon's eye.
All right, let's see. Who is it? Oh, it's you.
Oh, no.
We're both wrong. Okay,
that's
definitely
great.
not an eye. All right, that's
Okay.
hard. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, that's gross.
Oh, that's a nose.
That's
Is that
a nose? I think it's an ear.
I think it's a nostril. No, it could be an ear.
I think it's ear, and I don't have any hair in my ear, so I'm thinking this is John.
Okay, I'll say it's me too.
Okay, let's see. No.
Oh! We don't know ourselves at all.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Go for another one. Now that's an ear.
That's an ear. Okay.
That's an ear canal right there.
That's me, because there's very little hair.
Okay, that's
Let
Brandon's
me look
ear.
at your hair.
Don't
You don't have a
look
lot
at
of
me.
You don't have a lot of hair.
I'm gonna call that as Brandon
That's me.
too.
Okay, here we go.
Oh!
John! Wow! Man, we are not good at this game.
Well, look at all of my
Ah!
I know who this is. Easy.
Who is that?
That's got to be my eyebrow. Look
That's
at that,
your
because
eyebrow?
look at the gray.
Oh,
And look
okay.
how crazy these hairs
Yes,
are. That's
I
my
agree.
eyebrow.
John's eyebrow. Yay, we got one. All right, here we go.
Oh, did you go for a 5?
No, I
okay.
sort of.
Whoa! Oh! Sorry to
you,
get enough
right?
sleep.
That's you. Because my eyes are blue, right? Are my eyes blue?
But where are the glasses?
Oh, that's a good point.
Although I think I see a stray gray eyebrow, so that's got to be me.
You think so? Okay.
Yep.
Wow. I thought my eyes were blue.
Yeah.
This whole time they look green close up.
I know, it's crazy.
All right, you're right. There should have been glasses. I don't even know what that is. That could be the picture of a shirt.
Yeah.
Is that a face?
Okay, I'm going to say that's my cheek. No. Oh,
What?
that's my dimple.
Oh, that's your dimple.
Yeah, me.
John's dimple.
No, is it your dimple? Where?
I guess so. I guess. Okay, here we go. Next.
I think, okay, so that is my nose. That's a nose.
Looks like it. Let
Should
me
be
see.
my nose.
Yeah.
You have a divot. I'm
your-
rounded.
That's your nose.
That's my nose. Hey,
Oh.
shiny and oily.
Coming. It's like 3D almost.
Yeah, wow, we know ourselves half decently.
Yeah, it's better than we thought.
Yeah, better than we thought
At
on
least
the outside.
on the outside.
Yeah. Now, if only there was someone out there who could help us discover who we really are on the inside. Oh, look,
there's
one
more
more picture. Who is that? Oh, I know who that is. It's Bible story time with Kellen! Kellen!
Hey fellas, how's it going?
Pretty good. What deep insights do you have for us from the Bible today?
Well, we're talking about one of the more famous disciples of Jesus. In fact, this dude wrote one of the 4 Gospels.
Thaddeus.
No,
Simon the Zealot.
nope.
Austin.
There was no disciple named Austin, to my knowledge.
Oh.
No, we're talking about Matthew.
Matthew, right.
You were way off.
Let's jump right in. Okay, so everywhere Jesus went, people would marvel at his teachings.
Oh.
And people would especially delight in all the many miracles Jesus would perform. People loved him. One day, Jesus was walking into a town where he met Matthew. The problem was, people did not like Matthew at all. Why? Well, because he was a tax collector for Rome. Tax collectors were looked down on because not only did they collect money for taxes, they would take extra money to keep for themselves. When Jesus approached Matthew, people may have thought Jesus was gonna put Matthew in his place.
You're out.
But instead, Jesus went up to Matthew, a guy who no one liked or valued, and he said, "Follow me." Now, this probably blew Matthew's mind. Jesus, miracle worker and teacher, was asking Matthew to follow him. Jesus valued Matthew when no one else would. And Matthew got up and he followed Jesus. Now, when the other people in town saw this happen, they were confused.
Huh?
The religious leaders were beside themselves in anger. They couldn't understand why Jesus would spend any time with someone as disliked as Matthew. But even worse, Jesus went to Matthew's house and hung out with a bunch of other people in town that the religious leaders considered the worst kind of people. I mean, Jesus basically went to a party with all the troublemakers. And the religious leaders, well, they asked Jesus' disciples, "Why does your teacher eat with sinners and tax collectors?" But when Jesus heard this, he responded by saying, "Those who are healthy don't need a doctor. Sick people do. I have not come to get those who think they are right with God to follow me. I have come to get sinners to follow me." Yeah, definitely a mic drop moment. Jesus wanted the religious leaders to know, and he wants us to know, that people, no matter what they look like or where they come from or what they've done, are valuable to him. The end. So what do you think, fellas?
Wow. Jesus shows up, and instead of seeing Matthew as just a tax collector or someone who cheats people, he sees him as valuable.
Yeah, Jesus was like, hey, Matthew, you matter. Let's go hang.
Exactly. I mean, Jesus hanging out with Matthew back then, that was mind-blowing. But think about this. What do you think happened in Matthew's own heart? How do you think what Jesus did made Matthew feel about himself?
If I were Matthew, I may have seen myself in a whole new way.
Yeah. I mean, if Jesus, this guy I've heard about, who's totally awesome, wants to spend time with me, I think it would have an effect.
Right? Well, guess what? Jesus does think you're valuable, and he does want to spend time with you. He wants you to believe in him and follow him. That can change your whole world. And not just your life now, but for eternity. Following Jesus not only helps us live a life that honors God, but it brings us back into a relationship with God that lasts forever.
That is very cool. Thanks, Kellen.
You're welcome, guys. I'll see you next time.
Bye. So, buddy, does that shed any light on you figuring out who you really are?
Yeah, it does. I'm more than my job. I'm more than what other people think about me.
Yes.
I'm even more than what I might think about myself.
Yes.
I think after learning that story, I would describe myself as...
Reveal the question. How would you describe yourself?
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. You can describe yourself on the outside. Like, do you have long hair, short hair? What color are your eyes?
Or you could describe yourself in other ways. What kind of movies do you like to watch? What are you good at? What do you wish you could do better?
Yeah, talk about it together. How would you describe yourself?
And we'll see you next time on
The So-and-so Show! I've never eaten spaghetti before.
I wrote the song Do What Diddy. I have knives for toes.
My mother used to be a puma.
I actually like soccer.
Ham!
The first letter of the alphabet is Z.
Now it's just random fact time.
This computer is older than I am.
Striped polka dots confuse me. Blue paint makes me sneeze.
Lassie was a boy.